Hey, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let's have a coffee together. Morning, morning, morning. Alessandro, good morning. James, Nikitas, good morning. Colleague, good morning. Laptop fix nuts. Morning, guys. Sunday morning. Let's have a coffee. Is there an easy pizza? It is. After this live stream, I will publish a easy pizza video. Lafix, good morning. How is everyone? Hmm? Good morning, good morning. A lot of people today. Morning, guys. I've actually to morning. No closed caption. Um, After the live stream it's ended, it's automatically from automatically from YouTube. Amber, good morning. Nemanja, good morning. Any live pizza repair? Milan, after I stop the live stream, I will publish a easy pizza video. Morning, guys. Natsa, good morning. Coffee so good. Coffee so good. Didi, it's on the chat. So we should pay attention on what we are speaking. Perry, good morning. How is your Sunday? Great, fantastic. It's chill. It's like 21 degrees today. Starting from the next week, the heat is coming back. But yeah, I haven't streamed last Sunday. I know that. The problem is, Diablo 4 came out with a new season, and, I play like crazy even today. What is the subject of this live? Sheriff, the subject on this live, it's about the coffee. We are having a coffee together. I mean, I can have the coffee myself alone, but I really prefer to have the coffee with people sharing same passion for pizzas. Yeah. Where are you from? Originally, I'm from Romania, from Transylvania, but I'm living on England. Electro having a coffee together. Yeah, you can have a coffee alone, or you can, I push the live streaming and we are having whole a coffee together. Yeah. Morning, guys. Morning. Raul, good morning. No barbecue. I had a pizza today with the kids. Actually, you know what? We are all loving pizzas. I mean, even the kids, yeah. Pizzas like pasta. Kid, good morning. It will be 36 degrees. We had like 34 or 35 last week. Yeah. Tone Gravity, good morning. Silvius, salut, nu te-am văzut. I had my coffee at 6 a.m. London time, Bogdan. That's late. I had my first coffee like 2:30. Yeah. What is the logic behind voltage injection and shorted rail? CB, I'm planning a video, and this it will be as soon as I finish with the Diablo. To do a video about minimal and also a test. Yeah, if you pass the test, then you are fine doing laptop repairs, voltage injection, and all that kind of stuff. Current injection, actually. Janus, good morning. Sorin and Didi, yeah, Didi is on the chat also. No, I never found a capacitor on a pizza slice. No. I'm Italian. I know how much important is coffee. Ha! Pasqui. when I've been on Italy, I try a coffee, but it was like for me hard to drink. Like it's just a small coffee, just a small one and proper strong. Any new Timo video coming? No, no. Rainman, salutare Moshu. Easy peasy, yeah. My kids are using easy peasy, yeah. Probably it's an English thingy, yeah. Remember, easy pizza came from the fact we are comparing the price, the repair price, converting on pizza. So when we are converting the repair price on pizza, everyone from any country can compare. Okay, how much is this job? 4 pizzas, and 4 pizzas here are a different price. There have a different price. So it's kind of like a good thing. Don't have a good morning. Pool is gone. Yeah, we have some cold weather. I mean, it's not cold, but it's like we have like 23, 21, then proper hot again, 28, 27, 29, proper hot. Universal pizza pricing, Mike, exactly, yeah. Pizza is universal currency, yeah. Yeah, before, existing the money, the people, they were making like exchanges. Coffee time in Switzerland. I've read the article last week. Switzerland has the higher like pay country. I mean, you earn a lot of money on Switzerland. Yeah, yeah, crazy, crazy money. It's a good country to live in. Uh, Wylon, thank you very much. Thank you for the member. Thank you. Been a while, but always watching. Happy Sunday, everyone. Thank you very much. If you don't forget to link your YouTube with Discord so you can get the role and access the support chat. Yeah. But you pay for the air you breathe. That's fine. You seen there are people sharing like travel vlogs. The country is insane. I mean, it's so beautiful there. I mean, only mountains and they have like a proper winter with snow and all the stuff. Where he came from? Sorin? From Transylvania, from Romania. I'm a vampire. Actually, on Transylvania, I was living like dozen of miles from Dracula Castle. Yeah. But from what country everyone is coming is not important. I mean, why that it will make a difference? The free energy exists? No. Of course not. If the free for the free energy to exist means someone has to change the physics law. Andrew, a good vampire. You know what? That's funny because on the Halloween I was dressing like a priest, yeah, not like a vampire. Diana, she was a vampire. No, a witch. But anyway, very close to the reality. So yeah. Have you visited Dracula Castle? Yeah, of course. Mr. Mario Nazza, no name Nazza. Good morning, sorry. Is it in Hungary? No, it's in Romania. In Transylvania, there are a lot of there are regions with a lot of like Hungarian people. I think people ask, "You are from to here? You're saying you are a vampire?" Ah, come on! You seen the cartoons, the Hotel Transylvania? There are a lot of like a lot of stuff around the Dracula castle. Yeah. Tom Chris, good morning. What do you think about Romanian inflation? Romania is still on a good course. I mean, the people really dodged the bullet with the last elections. I mean, it's not much what you can do. When you're a small country, you're a poor country. It's not much what we can do. I mean, we should be thankful to Europe for having us. Mati, good morning. Leslie Nielsen, yeah, you remember the empty gun? That was the, yeah, I think that was the name. Yeah, I seen all. Very, very like proper funny guy. Good morning from Stockholm, boss. Stockholm. I seen all Ghost Riders videos, which I think it was filmed on Stockholm. Yeah, Ghost Rider. You remember? You haven't seen some illegal stuff. Illegal. I mean, illegal. He was doing illegal stuff with the motorcycle. Do you know Ghost Rider? Come on. Of course I know. Of course I know. Time to replace a short capacitor. If I'm looking on the desk, I can find a shorted capacitor. Check here. I can bet this is shorted. This is one, yeah? Let me search more. Look here, yeah? Check here. This is another capacitor, yeah? I can bet even this one is shorted. And if I look, I will find more. Check here, yeah? Check here. This is a capacitor, yeah? I can bet it's shorted. You want me to check more? I'm pretty sure I have more. Yeah. You don't know about activity in Romania? What do you mean? I do know. What actually? What do you mean? What's going on? Nu știu ce vorbești, știu. I mean, am văzut cine a candidat la președinție. Mă bucur că a ieșit Nicușor. Altfel nu știu zău ce se alegea de România. I bet Diana has a you know what? Actually, I do the vacuum stuff on my house. Știu că au tăiat bursele. Am înțeles că bursele se luau doar pe prezență. Erai prezent la școală și luai bursă. Nu e corect. Înțelegi cum au spus-o și alții. Instead of a proper calibrated wire, you can replace it with a proper... Yeah, the dog barked, yeah. Yeah, actually you save some wire. You use a shorter capacitor and you save some wire. Bineînțeles că am mințit, nu? Trebuia să iasă președinte, altfel ce făceam? Eram mai rușilor deja, eram afară din Europa. Yeah, I'm really sorry, guys. Let's speak. 321 Hayabusa Turbo. Yeah, I seen that. 500 horsepower. I seen there are a lot of Hayabusa Turbos. Yeah, I heard the rumors actually the Ghost Rider is dead. But pretty sad because I seen it like 20 years ago. You know, all his movies. Translate, please. No, it's about politics and stuff. No politics. Okay, Didi said no politics. Yeah. Yeah, it is better to keep no politics, no religion. Yeah. Let's do it. Okay, it's banned. From now on, it's banned. Any politics and religion is banned. And football out. Yeah. Golf. Golf is nice. Yeah, I always wish to do golf, but never did it. Yeah. Politics are bad for relationships. Yeah. But it's just, there are things which, you know what, it's I don't even want to open this subject, but I start avoiding the news. No. I don't watch them anymore. I mean, clearly no one cares about anyone. No one cares about anyone, so no. No, I better not watch the news. When you hear the boom, you know that's the bomb, and you just run, and that's all. But when you see on the news, threats with atomic bombs and stuff like every day is so depressing. I mean, I can't do it anymore. No. Okay, let's speak about something else. I have a bad experience last week. Proper bad. I mean, it was so bad. Actually, I decide to try to stay away from Max. So check here. I have one board here, and I have one board here. I bought the board from eBay, about £35 each. I bought them from eBay. So I have a job with a blow up, like proper cracked. Yeah, so it was like an explosion on one PD controller. So I bought a board, I replaced the chip, then I bought another one, I replaced the chips again, and yeah, then I found this chip being shorted. Then I found here it's a small chip here which was shorted. Still I couldn't fix it, and I spent like probably over 4 hours on that one. Untested. I mean, it doesn't even matter, Sylvia, if untested. No, actually, it was coming with iCloud. Because obviously you can test them. You plug the USB, if you have 20 volts, the PD controllers are good. Yeah. And check here, yeah? Check here, yeah? Let's count the PD controllers chip. So we have 1, we have 2. We have, wait, this is not a PD controller. We have 3. We have 4. We have 5. We have 6. Only 6? Was expecting more. Wait 1 second. No, this is not CD chip. I'm pretty sure should be more. Yeah, here. No, this is not. Yeah, anyway. The problem is what I knew. I knew the CD chips, they have to be pre-programmed. So that means if you take a CD chip, should be pre-programmed. It's not working like that. Yeah, I made some research. So if you replace on this board or this model, yeah, you replace the PD controller, has to be from the same model. Yeah. You bought a bucket of PD chips? No, these ones. And check here, yeah, this is the original chip. This is the original IC. Just to understand what kind of damage was there. This was proper blow off. You can see it. Proper gone. And no, I couldn't fix the laptop. No. So actually, after I replaced 4 chips, the laptop was coming on the battery, but not without picture. It was coming on. You have the startup sound, the caps lock working, but no picture on the screen. And the charger was staying on 5 volts, 400 milliamps. So no, I couldn't fix it. No. JFix, good morning. PCE, thank you very much. How many laptop inquiries? A lot, Thomas. A lot of questions also. I don't even touch. You know what? I decide to do it on the same way. I don't want to do it because if you explain to the customer, if you want me to fix your board, I have to buy another one and take some. And the customer, it will believe actually you are some kind of beginner on the stuff. Yeah, I have this customer, and when I told him, you know, this is a serious thing, I have to buy some boards, and he said, well, I was living under the impression actually you can fix this kind of devices, and you know that feeling. Yeah, it's hard to explain to a customer this thing is made to not be repaired. So those chips, they have a program inside, and you cannot program them. So you have to buy from faulty boards, but basically working. Yeah, complicated. Yeah, I don't want to do it. No, I don't want to fix Macs. I mean, I have enough jobs with normal computers, but I don't want to do Macs. So I really doubt you'll see Macs video on my channel. From the same position? Even the position matter? Okay, it's fine. I don't want it. And you know why I got pissed off? Because I have a chip. Let me show you the video. This is insane. I mean, I don't want to show you the video. It's long, and I have to search to find that part. I had one chip. The solder, it was not getting solder into the pins, into the chip pins. So I start cleaning and using all kind of stuff. I even use the tip cleaner, which is acid. I use the tip cleaner to make the solder to get into the chip. It was not working, so I have nothing to do. The solder, it was not getting on the chip pins. You can believe that? I believe it's one from here. 1 second. 1 second. Let's check together. Yeah, 1 second. We're gonna find the prick. No, this one is fine. Fine. This one, yeah, this one. So I also use the tip cleaner, and it's still not working. Yeah, this one. This one, you know, this when I tried this one, I said, you know what, I don't need this in my life. No. So from some reason I don't understand, the solder is not getting into the chip pins. I'm assuming they are pure iron or something. Regards from Poland, good morning. How your wife doing in learning electronics? She stopped long time ago. Danny, good morning. Maya, good morning. For electronic repairs, what solar wire? 180 degrees. I have on the link on the description. I have my eBay. You have United States eBay there, and you can buy my solder wire 180 degrees. Teknolojiye viitorului salut. AM, exactly. That's the point I'm trying to make. I got so pissed off. I got angry, like proper angry, and yeah. Răzvan, salut. McGiver, good morning. Thank you for fixing your power supply display. I didn't fix anything. What do you mean? By the way, the thingy arrived. This one. Now, if you want to buy this one, this is quite bad. So I'm really sorry I paid the money for it. It's from same company like like my USB-C meter, but I found it to be proper bad, proper slow. It's not updating on time. It's kind of precise, but it's just slow. It's proper slow. So if I take the sample far away, this needs probably like 30 seconds in order for the counter to read like a real value. Yeah, I feel bad. I lost the money. One second. Remember that glare? Yeah, glare is from the sun when it's sunny outside. Yeah. Reboot. That's strange. That's a proper strange case, what you're saying. But it is possible, yeah. Tell us about your microcontroller experience like Atmega. I work with Atmega just a little bit. And I really like it. I mean, Atmega 8. I use Atmega 8. It's it's a good start because you have to pick up the AVR, no AVR. But anyway, I go for Atmega or PIC chips. PIC chips, yeah, same microcontroller programmable microcontrollers. But I picked up the Atmega, and just experimenting for a short period of time. Philip, you made me watching because I did make a mistake on a repair. I put my cigarette thingy on the board, and then I came with the hot air, and I feel like it's smelling different. Atmega 32, kind of like advanced, but Atmega 8 is proper simple. You can do a lot of stuff with it. Do you have Flash EC? Mitch, I don't think I can program that chip. You mean the VG one or the normal one? Because you have the small one and the normal one. Smoking board? Yeah. The normal one. And you ask me about if I have the firmware. because normal chips, I have the programmer with the ZIF socket, and I'm putting the chip on the socket. I'm programming the chip on the socket. I didn't program on the key. I programmed before on the keyboard. X grade Vibrosin. I have a RT. I don't know about the RT. I never work with RT. I have only the SVOD. Now, if you can write, I have ZIF socket, SPI flash. Yeah, not sure what should I say. I have no experience. If you ask me about the SVOD, yeah. I mean, probably will not ask for SVOD. Some people programming, I don't know how. I never used that one. It is possible somehow, but I don't know how. What car did you steal this week? Car? Nah, no car. Yeah. Will you make more videos about GPU repairs? Probably not. It's not my thing. The GPUs are not my thing. The GPU, you have the Norwest guy, you can watch his videos for GPU repairs, but I'm not good with that. I'm sorry. I wish I have time to fix everything. Did you remember to throttle stop, and then check the CPU speed? Don't worry, but what do you mean? Where? You mean on the last video on the MSI? You ask about that one? The video from today. Today I haven't uploaded any video. Okay, so you're speaking about that MSI. No, but I'm assuming it's fixed. I mean, the fault was clear. You have a faulty current sensor. Now, I'm pretty sure that's fixed. Speaking about the car insurance for them, has gone through. I don't know. I don't know why. There are some surface with property issue. Via hardware, it's easy. You get the BK chip, and you have a pin. Yeah, you have a pin which has to be 0 or 1. I don't remember. But if you check the data sheet, you can find how that pin has to be, and you can just move completely that pin to 1 or to 0. I don't remember exactly. You are speaking about who, Reparazzi iPhone? I'm curious. I have a that MacBook. Can I move the data from removable? Probably you can. Yeah, you should be able. Mitch Electronica. I will show you 1 second. BQ. You have a pin, so whatever is wrong, the laptop is taking too much current, you know, all kind of stuff. Data sheet. Yeah, I found it. So you have one pin. Let me go to the schema. You have here, check here, Prohot. You can see pin number 10. So pin number 10, active low, open drain output of the processor hot indicator, the charger IC, blah, blah, blah. After any event, Prohot profile is triggered. Yeah, so this is the pin, which is triggering, you know, lock on the CPU. And on the schematic, so basically that pin has to be high. Let me find the schematic. Oh, what is the schematic? Yeah, like here. So you have the Prohot, which is connected to, not sure if it's connected to the EC chip. Very possible to be connected to the chipset. So not sure about that. But this is the pin you are looking for. On the MSI, we have one track broken from here, from this current sensor. And obviously this is like 10 milliohms resistor. Obviously it's 19 volts always, and if you short this pin to ground, it will blow up the track. Yeah. Yeah, I think I seen this channel. Yes. No more live repairs soon. I'm waiting for a job lot. Any videos today? I probably seen the videos already. Yeah. I will swap a members only video for public after I finish the live stream. But I do have a bunch of jobs, so next week it will be a lot of videos. Okay, so it's been like 40 minutes. I think I will stop and I will go to play some Diablo 4. No one is playing Diablo 4 here. We can do some nice stuff into the game. No Diablo player. I mean, no gamers. Get on the air, 73 mic. I'm looking to buy a spider antenna, and I'm looking to come back on the hobby. Yeah, but I'm old. I cannot play different games. I can play only MMOs or RPGs. Waste of time to play computer games. Bogdan, it's about, relax, yeah? Okay, I want to get relaxed. I'm playing a game. On the game are things you can control. On your life, sometimes you cannot control everything. But on a game, you can. Amateur CB. Me, no. I have a full license ham radio. CB is free. You don't need you don't need a license on 27 megahertz. There are some people who really listen. Yeah. It's a relaxed time. Exactly. It's Sunday. Come on. I mean, ham radio. Yeah. I have a friend which has a spider web antenna, and he said he's very happy with that antenna. I do have my inverted V, but I don't know. It's complicated because all I want in the first place, I want the 40 meters band, and the second place, I want the 20 meters band, and it's hard to find antenna. It's hard to find the antenna with 40 meters and 20 meters. You'll find a bunch of antennas from 20 meters up. But to have like 40 meters band, it's hard. And I love the 40 meters. 20 meter is best? It is, but it's busy. It's busy. It's busy and it's tricky with the propagation. But 40 meters, for like long, nets, in the evening, it's fantastic. Just try to, you probably know the feeling. Sometimes you just find a net and listen to that net till you go to sleep. Yeah. A nice conversation. On 20 meters is like, okay, links over the links. You can build one yourself. Oh, I know. That's long. I'm really sorry. Yeah. Water and electronics doesn't work together. Make your own. I made one. I have a mice made by myself, inverted V. Yeah, a big one. Big one. I mean, I have like 20 meters antenna. But I want 40 meters. That's the thing. Try to use larger parabolic dish. We are speaking about the ham radius, 40 meter band, which is 7 megahertz, and 20 meters, which is 14 megahertz. Mas, check here, a French guy, a baguette. Mas, looking forward for your live repairs? I'll try to do it, Mas. I'm waiting for a job lot, and I'll do it. Mas is a nice guy. Yeah. Easy to make a Yagi. To make like 20 meters Yagi is not easy. Because on 40 meters, you need like 20 meters. No. You mean by wire? I made it. I made like inverted V because it's too long. My garden is not that long. Yeah. I mean, for 10 meters, it's easy. 10 meters, it's easy. 10 you can buy any antenna on 10 meters. Yeah, you can do it yourself, yeah. Regulation Wi-Fi have more power on Europe. Yeah, I know. On the United States, you can use UHF up to like 1 watt. In Europe, it's only 50 milliwatts. Yeah. I made a video, Mitch, how to boost the power. Remember, I mean, Yeah, we done it on the helium miners, but you can do it on the Wi-Fi also. You can remove the SAW filter from the takes. Yeah, on the takes you have a SAW filter there to filter the harmonics, and you can remove it, and you will get like 2-3 decibels on top. Removing the connectors, you get like 0.5 decibel per connector. Yeah, but you have a SAW filter. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop now. I just want to say thank you for being here, having a coffee with me. I'll try to bring some nice content next week. Um, yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. Thank you for being here. Yeah, thank you for having a coffee with me, having a coffee with a old guy. It means a lot for me. Okay, so have a beautiful Sunday, and see you for like 5 minutes. I will upload a video. Yeah. Okay. 73. Bye, guys. Bye. Try to enjoy the day. Bye.